Heroes, let me share with you an idea for quickly getting through your daily homework assignments. So here's our course in Blackboard. And what you're going to do is go over to discussions. And you know that each day you're going to have to complete at least one of the side quests for the hours that correspond to that day. So for example, on Monday, you've got to complete one side quest, hours 1 to 3. So you click on that and you can see hour 1, hour 2, hour 3. Now, you can do all of these if you want to, but you're only required to do one. So let's look at hour 1, Call to Adventure. You've got instructions here for what to do. You've got to watch these 2 videos, and then you've got to think about them. So what I'm asking you to do here is think about your favorite hero story, and then to try to describe the 3 primary moves that we see in your story from Joseph Campbell's hero's journey model, which really are departure, initiation, and return. Okay, so once you watch these 2 videos, what I recommend very strongly is that you find another place to create your post. And you got to create a 200 to 300 word post, and I want to recommend that you do that in Google Docs. Now, if you like typing, that is great. You can start typing out your response, but I want to share with you another way that you can get through this. In Google Docs, right here where it says Tools, if you click on that and go down to Voice Typing, it'll pull up this little microphone icon. And then watch what happens when I click on this microphone. So my favorite hero story is The Batman, and especially the brand new Batman that was just released recently. Concerning those moves from Campbell's hero's journey model, I think departure is reflected when... Do you see what just happened? Wait, let me turn this off. Okay, friends, do you see what just happened? I'm actually speaking my post into existence. Now, here's the catch. I've got to go back and clean it up. I need to put proper punctuation in. I need to make sure capitalization, etc., that it's all formatted in the proper way. But if it's easier for you to just kind of translate from your brain directly onto the screen without messing with your fingers and typing, go for it. This is a pretty easy way to get through this. And now, once I'm finished with my post, all I've got to do is copy, and then jump back over into Blackboard, click Reply, click Paste, which is Command V or Control V as a shortcut. There it is. And when I'm done, I hit Submit. And that's it. Okay, heroes, I really hope this helps. Good luck.